Ever found yourself wishing NetSuite could track just one more piece of information? Something specific to your unique business needs that doesn't quite fit into the standard fields? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into the powerful world of custom fields in NetSuite, unlocking a level of personalization that can truly transform how you manage your data and gain deeper insights. Think about it. NetSuite is an incredibly robust platform, packed with features designed to handle a vast array of business processes. But every business has its own quirks, its own key performance indicators, its own special sauce. And sometimes those unique elements require unique data points. Trying to force that square peg of custom information into the round hole of a standard field can lead to messy workarounds, inaccurate reporting, and ultimately, a less efficient workflow. Imagine you're a subscription box service. You might want to track the flavor of the month for each subscriber. Or perhaps you're an e-commerce business that needs to record the gift message included with an order. Maybe you're a manufacturing company that wants to track the batch number for quality control purposes. These are just a few examples of the countless scenarios where standard fields simply fall short. That's where custom fields come to the rescue. They empower you to extend NetSuite's data model, creating dedicated spaces to capture the exact information you need, exactly where you need it. This means cleaner data, more relevant reporting, and the ability to tailor NetSuite to perfectly align with your specific business processes. So, how do we actually go about creating these magical custom fields? Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to the customization section within NetSuite. Think of this as your control panel for tailoring the system to your liking. You can usually find this under Customization in the main navigation menu. From there, you'll want to look for List, Records and Fields, and then select Record Fields. This is where the custom field creation journey begins. Once you're on the Record Fields page, you'll likely see a list of existing custom fields. Don't be intimidated by this. We're here to create a new one. Click on the New button to start the process. Now you'll be presented with a crucial decision. What kind of field do you want to create? NetSuite offers a variety of field types, each designed to capture different kinds of data. Let's explore some of the most common and useful ones. Freeform text. This is your basic text field, perfect for capturing short snippets of information like names, descriptions, or brief notes. Long text. Need more space? Long text fields allow for larger blocks of text, ideal for detailed descriptions or comments. Integer number. Use this for whole numbers, like quantities or counts. Decimal number. For numbers with decimal places, like prices or percentages. Date. Specifically designed for capturing dates. NetSuite will even provide a handy calendar picker. Date. Time. Need to record both the date and time of an event? This is your go-to field type. Checkbox. A simple yes/no or true/false option. List/record. This is a powerful field type that allows you to link your custom field to an existing NetSuite list or record. For example, you could create a custom field that links to a list of your product categories or to specific customer records. This ensures data consistency and allows for easy lookups and reporting. Multiple select. Similar to a list/record field, but allows you to select multiple options from the linked list or record. Email address. Specifically formatted for email addresses, often with built-in validation. URL. For capturing website addresses. Choosing the right field type is critical for ensuring data accuracy and making reporting easier down the line. Think carefully about the kind of information you need to capture before making your selection. Once you've chosen your field type, you'll need to give your custom field a clear and descriptive label. This is what will appear as the field name in NetSuite. Make it something that your users will easily understand. Next, you'll need to decide where this custom field should appear within NetSuite. This is controlled by the Applies to section. Here, you can specify which record types the field should be associated with. For example, you might want your flavor of the month field to apply to customer records, while your gift message field would apply to sales order records. You can even have a custom field appear on multiple record types if needed. Within the Applies to section, you can often get even more granular. For instance, if you're applying a field to item records, you might be able to specify whether it applies to inventory items, non-inventory items, service items, and so on. Beyond the basic settings, NetSuite offers a range of advanced options for your custom fields. These can include display rules, control when and how the field is displayed based on certain conditions. For example, you might only want the gift message field to appear if the order is marked as a gift. Mandatory. Make the field required, ensuring that users always enter a value before saving the record. Show in list. Display the field as a column in relevant lists and searches, making it easy to view and filter data. Store value. Determine whether the field's value should be stored in the database for reporting and analysis. In most cases, you'll want to check this box. Help text. Provide helpful instructions or context for users filling out the field. This can significantly improve data accuracy. Formula. For certain field types, create calculated fields that automatically derive their values based on other fields on the record. This opens up a whole new level of automation and insight. Take some time to explore these advanced options and see how they can further enhance the functionality of your custom field. Once you've configured all the necessary settings, be sure to click Save to create your new custom field. It might take a few moments for NetSuite to apply the changes, but once it's done, your new field will be ready to use on the record types you specified. And that's the essence of creating custom fields in NetSuite. It's a powerful tool that allows you to tailor the platform to your specific needs, capture the data that truly matters to your business, and ultimately gain a clearer and more insightful view of your operations. By carefully considering the field type, label, application, and advanced options, you can unlock a new level of customization and efficiency within your NetSuite environment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.